Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT does come with a few nice features. You've got a remote entry keypad, your power window controls and power mirrors, manual cloth seats with a third row center seat with a console, electric parking brake. Go ahead and turn it on. You do have a heads-up display there. Your infotainment system here, you've got trip odometers, fuel economy, driver assist, and truck settings. On the left is cruise control, on the right is your hands-free calling with media controls. Various drive modes such as tow and haul, snow and wet, eco, sport, and normal. You got a locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. You have media controls, Sync 3 sound system with built-in hotspot, auto start stop, plow button, and trash control. And you've got your climate controls just down here. Over here you have a 12-volt outlet. Coming around back, you've got your chrome bumper here with a trailer hitch. Your rear view camera, right position below the latch for the tailgate. You have a built-in tailgate step and a drop-in bed liner. Here's your truck bed here. And coming into the back of the truck here. Cloth seating in the rear. Lots of leg room back here. You do have a 12-volt outlet down here. Storage for some papers and various other stuff. And you've got a dome light up top here. And back around to the front. Halogen headlights, LED turn signals, and fog lights. Chrome grilled bumper here. Nice angles on it. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today. Talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150.